guys, so today I have this thing. It's like slime. And what am I going to do with this? I'm putting it into a bowl. So watch it. It's going to hit the ground. All of it is going to go into the ground. Look at it. Seriously, it's slime. Kind of looks like slime, but seriously, it's slime. Slime, guys. This is really slime. I don't know. This thing is from Walmart. It's only $1. You can get it. You can get this thing at Walmart, but it's only $1, so it's easy to get. So at Walmart, yeah. This you can prank your friends. Thinks that it's like a booger, like a giant booger that you just take it out. So yeah, I don't. So I think everyone is going to do this. They're going to think that it's real booger, but it's actually slime. And I don't know if they think it's slime, but I think it really is slime. But kinda. Look at this. Oh my god. Kinda looks like slime. Oh my god. Not really supposed to be slime, but it does make sounds. I'm gonna put my camera. You enjoyed it. Good, right? Did you look? You could really a slime. But I can't stuck it in your hand, but it really does. So if you don't know what it's called silly sludge. You will see there's a skeleton. It's only a green thing. It's only a green thing, and then only from Walmart. But as you can see, I already ripped it. So yeah. And it's good to move around and kind of get some stuff in it. Yeah. Yeah, this cost. It cost $1 of it to buy it. I already got it from Walmart when my grandma and grandpa brought this for me. But I literally bought it. So this thing really slime. So really is slime. And it's good to tear it out, look. See this, guys? Oh yeah, you can buy it from Walmart in the app of the each on the iPhone and the Android and the iPod. They're literally free to get. The Walmart app is free. If you search up for this, you will see it, and it's only $1 to get it. I don't know. You can guys check it out at the www.walmart.com. Yeah, it's just literally something. But guys, it's really looks slime. Look at this. It's kind of different, and it's like water, but I don't know if of it. Yeah, it's just water, I think. Okay, guys, I think that's it. I think it's the end of the episode. If you want to check out my videos or my gaming channel, just want me here Roblox, I don't know. Well, guys, I'll see you later. Bye. Goodbye, my homies.